to what's the news, like the tableware and linen. This is the real plate to what we are selling in the retail store. And you can see there are some spots and some dots in front and behind of the plate. Actually, this is very normal situation during the production process because the material, the production is the glaze, the reactive glaze design I made. Okay, and sometimes we will suggest to our customer to make a sticker like this. Everyone is unique, so you can sell it very freely. White weight, the bowl, it looks very simple in the plastic box. Well, this is very nice. Actually, the material is a marble. This is for the egg, very cute. And also material is the reactive. Here are some designs of the crackle, and also we have some reactive glaze design, and with the raw material you will see the material here. Let's go! Here is really very cute. Different animals painting on the basics of the plate.